Best ways to detox and cleanse your kidneys naturally. Welcome to Healthful Living, your trusted source for all things health and wellness. In today's video, we'll be diving into the topic of kidney health and exploring the best ways to naturally detox and cleanse your kidneys. If you're looking to optimize your renal function and support overall well-being, you've come to the right place. Let's begin. Our kidneys play a vital role in our body's natural detoxification process. They filter waste products, toxins, and excess fluids, ensuring our system stays balanced. However, due to factors such as poor diet, dehydration, and exposure to environmental toxins, our kidneys can become overwhelmed. That's where kidney detoxification comes in. It helps restore their optimal function and promotes overall health. Now, let's explore some of the most effective and natural ways to detox and cleanse your kidneys. Method 1. Hydration. Staying properly hydrated is crucial for kidney health. Make sure to drink adequate amounts of water throughout the day to support optimal kidney function and flush out toxins. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily. Method 2. Herbal teas. Certain herbal teas have properties that can aid in kidney detoxification. Incorporate dandelion root tea, nettle tea, or parsley tea into your daily routine. These teas can help stimulate kidney function and promote healthy urine flow. Method 3. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is known for its beneficial effects on urinary tract health. Its natural compounds help prevent the adhesion of bacteria to the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infection. Incorporate unsweetened cranberry juice into your diet to support kidney health. Method 4. Nutrient-dense foods. Eating a nutrient-dense diet is essential for kidney health. Include foods rich in antioxidants, such as berries, leafy greens, and colorful vegetables. Additionally, consume foods high in kidney-supportive nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin B6, and magnesium. Method 5. Ditch processed foods. Processed foods are often loaded with unhealthy additives, excess sodium, and artificial ingredients that can strain the kidneys. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods instead, such as whole grains, lean proteins, and fresh fruits and vegetables. Method 6. Reduce sodium intake. Excessive sodium intake can lead to water retention and strain the kidneys. Limit your consumption of high-sodium foods, such as processed snacks, canned soups, and fast food. Opt for herbs, spices, and natural flavorings to enhance the taste of your meals. Method 7. Regular exercise. Engaging in regular physical activity is not only great for overall health but also supports kidney function. Exercise helps improve blood flow and promotes the elimination of waste products through sweat. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Incorporating these natural methods into your lifestyle can help detox and cleanse your kidneys, supporting their optimal function and promoting overall well-being. Remember, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any pre-existing kidney conditions or concerns. Fruits that detox and cleanse your kidneys naturally. There are several fruits that are known for their detoxifying and cleansing properties, which can be beneficial for kidney health. Here are some fruits that can help detox and cleanse your kidneys naturally. 1. Cranberries. Cranberries are well known for their ability to support urinary tract health. They contain proanthocyanidins, which can help prevent bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infections. 2. Watermelon. With its high water content, watermelon acts as a natural diuretic, promoting increased urine production and helping to flush out toxins from the kidneys. 3. Lemons. Lemons are packed with vitamin C and citric acid, which can help break down calcium-based kidney stones. They also have a natural detoxifying effect on the kidneys and can stimulate the production of urine. 4. Apples. Apples contain pectin, a soluble fiber that can help remove toxins from the digestive system, including the kidneys. They are also rich in antioxidants, which can support overall kidney health. 5. Berries. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are loaded with antioxidants and are excellent sources of hydration. They can help flush out toxins and promote kidney health. 6. Grapes. Grapes are known for their diuretic properties and can help increase urine production. They are also rich in antioxidants and can help protect the kidneys from oxidative damage. 7. Pineapple. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which has anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys. It also acts as a natural diuretic, promoting kidney health. 8. Pomegranate. Pomegranates are packed with antioxidants, which can help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress. They also have diuretic properties and can support overall kidney function. 9. Kiwi. Kiwi is rich in vitamin C and fiber, which can aid in the detoxification process and promote kidney health. It also has a natural diuretic effect, helping to flush out toxins. 10. Oranges. Oranges are not only high in vitamin C but also contain citrate, which can help prevent the formation of kidney stones. They also have a hydrating effect, supporting overall kidney function. Incorporating these fruits into your diet can help support kidney health and promote natural detoxification. Remember to consume them as part of a balanced diet and in moderation. If you have any pre-existing kidney conditions or concerns, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the best ways to naturally detox and cleanse your kidneys. Prioritizing kidney health is a powerful step towards overall wellness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on healthful living. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll continue our journey towards a healthier, happier life. Take care, and be well.